Welcome to Excel Accounting Hub, your go-to spot for mastering spreadsheets, simplifying accounting, and discovering Excel hacks you never knew existed. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the top 5 Excel shortcuts every accountant should know. Let's jump right in. Shortcut number 1, AutoSum. Instead of typing equals sum, just press Alt plus equals and hit Enter. Excel instantly adds up the numbers above your active cell. Want to add up just 3 numbers? Select them, hit Alt plus equals, and boom, total ready. Shortcut number 2, number format with comma. Need to make large numbers easier to read? Select the range and press Ctrl plus Shift plus 1. Instantly, Excel formats your numbers with commas, clean and professional in seconds. Shortcut number 3, activate filter. Working with a dataset? Place your cursor anywhere inside and press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Filters appear right away, so you can sort by expense category, amount, or anything else without wasting time. Shortcut number 4, clear fill color. Got unwanted cell colors? Instead of clicking through the home menu, just press Alt plus H plus H plus N. The fill color disappears instantly. Quick, easy, efficient. Shortcut number 5, add a top border. Want to make your data pop? Press Alt plus H plus B plus P. A neat top border is added, giving your sheet a more professional look in just one keystroke. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep leveling up your Excel skills with us here at Excel Accounting Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And join the community that's turning Excel into opportunity. See you in the next video. Hi,